Easy Jack, you got your hand up. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Good morning, coach.
Good morning.
What do you do if you write in your journal, right? I'm really good about writing it in. You tell yourself a mini goal, okay, go for $20, $50, or whatever it may be,
Mhm.
but you don't listen to yourself in what you wrote the night before. How do you adjust yourself, or how do you work through that?
Yeah, it's a great question. So check this out. Since you are the only one in control of your own destiny, you are the only one that will listen to you. I would send that back to all of you in the room. What can you do to force yourself to listen to yourself? I already told you guys what I would do, right? I broke my own rules on Friday. I broke my own rules. So guess what I told myself today? You do that dumb shit again today, coach, you're on a freaking trading timeout. I don't want to put myself on a trading timeout. I like to trade. If I do the same dumb stuff today, I will force myself to not trade, because if I can't follow my own rules and there's nobody standing behind me like, don't do that. Oh, okay. Oh, what are you clicking? Oh, yeah, all right. Where's your, oh, my bad. Well, if I can't control myself, I can't do anything. So this is going to come back to all of you. What do you need to do to yourself? Do you need a mousetrap next to you that slams your hand, right? Do you what is it? There has to be something, and you got to be true to yourself, because how easy is it for all of you to lie in this room to yourself? Well, it's just, it's just the market today. It's just market. The
Yeah.
market's the same every day. Guess what? It goes up and it goes down. And it's just the only difference is you. You're the captain in that seat. You're the only one controlling what you do. So get control of yourself. This is why I say get your sleep, get your exercise, make sure you got your damn jug of water next to you so you can hydrate, right? Make sure you're getting out and exercising and walking and doing the things and getting everything prepared, mental preparedness, paying off that debt so you're not struggling in your brain when you come in here. My back is against the wall. I must make $36 today. All of it's got to go away. We trade the trades. Whatever the market gives us, we trade it. That's it. If it's going down, step on its head. If it's going up, lift it up. That's it. Yeah, it's all in
I,
you guys. You guys
I
have
think,
control.
yeah, yep. I was just gonna say that sometimes your morning for the actual trading really does dictate how your mentality ends up going throughout your trading day, right? So
It
whether that's
does.
bad sleep, life going on,
Yes.
or
Yeah.
life going on, right? Whatever
Yes.
it may be. So,
Yes.
appreciate that, coach.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Listen, I say it all the time, right? The psychology is more important than anything. Any one of
Yep.
us, listen, any one of us can mechanically click a button, clicky, clicky. Yeah, so what? That's nothing, right? It's all up
Yeah.
here, though, because guess what? After you've made the decision to put in a risk, because every time you buy anything, there's a risk. Well, guess what? Now you got to control it all. Now, what is your brain doing with it? It's all you, man. You guys are all the captains in your seats.